Assalamu alaikum class 6. We are going to start a new chapter today, chapter number 9, linear equations. Page number is 133. You all were introduced to algebra in the previous chapter, chapter number 8. So you all know what is an algebraic expression. But still, let's recall that. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that contains variables such as a, b, c, x, y, z, etc., numbers such as 1, 2, 3 and so on, and fundamental operations such as plus, minus, multiply and divide. Now what is an algebraic equation? If two algebraic expressions are put together with an equal sign in between, then they form an equation. Okay. Now come to the definition of linear equations. This is the equation in which each term has an exponent or power equal to 1. This is also called the first degree equation. So it is clear that in this equation no term has the exponent greater than 1. Okay. Now question number 1 is write an equation for each of the following statements. Part 1 is a number increased by 5 is 12. We have supposed that the number is x. Okay. This is why I have written here let the number be x. Okay. Now increased by 5 means 5 is being added to this number. Okay. And then the result is 12. Therefore the equation is x plus 5 equals to 12. Now part 2 is twice a number decreased by 3 is 15. Again let the number be x. Therefore twice the number will be 2 times x means 2x. And then it is mentioned in the question decreased by 3. Decreased by 3 means 3 is being subtracted from 2x. Okay. And last two words is 15. Is 15 means then the result is 15. Okay. So the equation is 2x minus 3 equals to 15. Part 3 is 6 less than 4 times the number is 30. Again let the number be x. Therefore 4 times the number must be 4x. Okay. Then 6 less than means 6 is being subtracted from 4x. Okay. And then 30 is the result. So the equation is 4x minus 6 equals to 30. Now part 4 is 1/5 of a number added to 6 is 10. Again let the number be x. And 1/5 of a number means 1 by 5 into x. So I can write it as x upon 5 and this is what I have written here. Okay. Then it is further written added to 6. Added to 6 means the number, the 1/5 of a number added to 6 means 6 is being added to x by 5. Alright. Then the result is 10. Therefore the equation will be x upon 5 plus 6 equals to 10. Now part 5 is 2/3 of a number subtracted from 8 is 4. Again let the number be x. Okay. Then 2/3 of a number is 2 upon 3 multiplied by x. Okay. And I have written it as 2x upon 3. Okay. Then subtracted from 8 means this 2x upon 3 is being subtracted from 8 this time. Okay. And then the result is 4. So our final equation is 8 minus 2x upon 3 equals to 4. Part 6 is the quotient of a number when divided by 3 and added to 4 results in 7. Again let the number be x. Then the quotient of a number is x upon 3 and added to 4 means 4 is being added to this number and then the result is 7. So the equation is x upon 3 plus 4 equals to 7. Then part 7 is the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 12. Consecutive means in the sequence. Okay. So we have to suppose two numbers here, two odd numbers here. Let the first odd number be x. Okay. Let the first odd number be x. And we all know that odd number differs by 2. Therefore the second odd number will be x plus 2. It must be x plus 2. Now the equation is x plus 2 equals to 12. Okay. Now part 8 is in 12 years Amin will be 4 times as old as he is now. Let his current age is x years. Okay. Then the equation will be in 12 years now. So 12 is added to this x. X plus 12 equals to 4 times as he is old now. He is x years old now. So 4 times means 4x. Therefore the final equation is x plus 12 equals to 4x. Okay. Question number 2 is solve the following equations. Part 1 is x plus 2 equals to 7. We have to find the value of x here. Okay. I have rewrite the question after the solution. Okay. And we have to find the value of x. So shift this 2 towards the right hand side and this plus 2 becomes minus 2 on the right hand side. Okay. And then 7 minus 2 equals to 5. Now part 2 is 3x minus 1 equals to 23. Here again we have to find the value of x. Okay, so this minus 1 became plus 1 in the right hand side, then 23 plus 1 equals to 24, then 3 is being multiplied by x in the left hand side, shift this towards the right hand side, and it became 24 by 3, which is equal to 8. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, so this x equals to 8. Okay, this is our final answer. Now part 3 is 5x plus 7 equals to 2 into x plus 2. Again we need to find the value of x. Okay, first multiply this 2 by this bracket. Alright, 2x are 2x plus 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 2 2s are 4. Okay, now shift this 2x which is in the right hand side right now, shift this to the left hand side, and shift this plus 7 into the right hand side, and it is being subtracted from 4. Okay, then 5x minus 2f equals to 3, then 7 minus 4 equals to 3, but we always use the sign of the bigger number. Okay, so we have written minus 3 here. Okay, now this 3 is being multiplied in the left hand side by x. Okay, shift this towards the right hand side and it has become minus 3 by 3, which is equal to minus 1. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, it is being cancelled out. Okay, now our answer is x equals to minus 1. Now part 6 is 3 into t minus 1 minus 2 into 2t plus 3 equals to 5 into t plus 3. Okay, first multiply this 3 by this bracket and this minus 2 by this bracket, also the 5 by this bracket. Okay, then 3 into t equals to 3t, minus sign 3 1s are 3, then minus sign 2 2s are 4t, minus plus minus 2 into 3 equals to 6. Okay, equal sign, then 5 into t equals to 5t, plus sign 5 into 3 equals to 15. Okay, now solve this 3t minus 4t. Okay, and the answer is minus t. Then minus 3 minus 6 equals to minus 9. Okay, 5t plus 15, we have written this as it is right now. Okay, now shift this 5t towards the left hand side and this minus sign towards the right hand side, then minus t minus 5t equals to minus 6t. Then 15 plus 9 equals to 24. Now shift this 6 towards the right hand side and it has become 24 divided by minus 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Therefore answer is t equals to minus 4. Now part 8 is 3x by 4 minus 5 equals to 2x. Okay, again we need to find the value of x. Shift this 2x to the left hand side and this minus x to the right hand side. Okay, now take the LCM of these two terms. Okay, these two denominators. One denominator is 4 and the other denominator is 1 here. Okay, of course the LCM of 4 and 1 will be 4. Okay, and the numerator is 3x minus 8x. Now solve this 3x minus 8x, subtract 3x from 8x and you have 5x. Okay, and we use the sign which is with the bigger number. Okay, therefore we have written minus 5x. Okay, now 4 is being divided by 5x in the left hand side, should shift this towards the right hand side, then 5 into 4 equals to 20. Now shift this minus 5 into the right hand side. Okay, then 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, and the answer is x equals to minus 4. Okay, now your homework is do part number 4, 5 and 7 yourself. Thank you.